First you need 1 kg of beef nicely washed. Then you need 2 tablespoon coconut oil, 3 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 7 green chilies, 1 tomato, 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala and salt to taste. I've added all of this into a pressure cooker. Mix it really well and cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles. Now I've kept a pan. I'm adding oil. You can add oil of your choice. And then add 4 chopped onions. Now add some curry leaves. And then cook this until it's light brown. Now it's become almost light brown, so I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Then 2 tomatoes, mix and cook this really well. It will cook really well. After this we'll be adding the beef. Now I'll be adding the beef without stock. Be adding the stock later, so make sure you add only the beef now. Salt. Just check for salt before you add. Mix this really well and let this cook for about 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and then half teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera powder. Mix this really well. After this we'll be adding the beef stock. Let's add the stock and close and cook this for about 15 minutes. While closing it, stir it occasionally. Really aromatic. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of fennel powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and then some curry leaves. Mix this really well and in a low flame cook it for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and now it's ready to have. So here it is. It's ready to have with rice or with parotas or even with chapatis. It's really tasty and it's spicy as well. So do try this and let me know your thoughts.